There is no official Social Security notice confirming a payment of $2,700 only for people over 60 who are identified by race or ethnicity. Social Security benefits are based on a person's individual record and are never issued according to race, cultural background, or group identity. Any claim suggesting that a deposit of $2,700 is targeted at certain racial or ethnic groups is not accurate and should always be treated with caution. The Social Security program was created to provide financial support to retirees, people with disabilities, and families of deceased workers. Monthly benefits are calculated using several factors, including lifetime earnings, the number of years worked, the age at which benefits are claimed, and the type of benefit applied for. Retirement benefits, disability insurance, and survivor benefits each have their own eligibility rules. Because of these differences, payment amounts vary widely from person to person. Social Security benefits are generally paid once a month. The exact payment date depends on the recipient's date of birth. For example, people born in the early part of the month may receive payments on the second Wednesday, while those born later may receive theirs on the third Wednesday, the third, or fourth Wednesday. This system helps the agency manage millions of payments efficiently. Most beneficiaries notice that their deposits are consistent from month to month, but sometimes they can appear higher or lower if adjustments or corrections are made. Payments are most commonly delivered by direct deposit into a checking or savings account. This method is fast, reliable, and secure. For those without a bank account, the government offers an official prepaid benefits card that works like a debit card. Both methods ensure that funds are transferred directly from the U.S. Treasury to the recipient. If someone notices an unexpected amount, such as a $2,700 deposit, the first step is to check recent bank activity and then confirm with both the bank and the Social Security Administration. Unexplained deposits could be the result of corrections, back payments, or in rare cases, errors that need to be fixed. The Social Security Administration consistently warns people not to share personal or financial information with anyone who claims to represent the agency unless the contact was started by the individual through official SSA channels. Scammers often use fear or excitement to trick people into revealing details. Fraud attempts can arrive as phone calls, text messages, social media ads, emails, or even letters that appear official, but are not. Many of these scams promise special bonuses, one-time payments, or benefits for specific groups. But none of these offers are real. The language used in scams is often one of the clearest warning signs. Fraudulent messages are designed to create fear, urgency, or excitement, pushing people to act without thinking. Common phrases include threats that benefits will be suspended immediately, warnings that accounts are under review, or promises of bonus payments that must be claimed within a short time. These communications may also insist that the recipient verify their account by providing sensitive details such as Social Security numbers, bank account credentials, or even copies of identification documents. Sharing this type of information with strangers or unverified contacts is extremely risky because it can be used to commit identity theft, drain bank accounts, or create fraudulent claims in someone else's name. Instead of responding, the safest action is to stop communication right away and report the suspicious contact to the Social Security Administration's Office of the Inspector General, which tracks and investigates scams. For individuals who want to confirm their benefits or check on the status of a payment, the most reliable path is through official resources. The My Social Security online account is available to all beneficiaries and allows easy access to personal payment history, benefit award letters, and official notices. This secure online system is updated directly by the SSA, so information displayed there is accurate and current. For those who prefer personal interaction, the SSA can also be reached by phone using the official numbers published on the agency's website. Local Social Security offices remain open for in-person support, though it is often recommended to schedule an appointment in advance to reduce wait times. Beyond SSA resources, banks can play an important role as well. Banks are able to confirm the origin of federal deposits and explain whether funds were sent by the Social Security Administration or from another source, providing peace of mind when an unexpected deposit appears. Larger than usual deposits sometimes occur for legitimate reasons, and understanding these situations can help reduce confusion. One common example is back pay. When an application for retirement, disability, or survivor benefits takes months to process, the Social Security Administration compensates the beneficiary for the months missed by issuing a lump sum payment once eligibility is approved. These back payments can amount to several $1,000s depending on the length of the delay. For disability claims, back pay is particularly common because medical evidence must be carefully reviewed before benefits can be awarded. Retroactive adjustments may also result in higher than expected payments. For example, if a cost of living increase is applied retroactively or if benefit calculations are corrected, the difference will be paid out in a one-time adjustment. While these payments can appear unusual to someone who expects only a regular monthly deposit, they are legitimate and based entirely on the individual's case history. Importantly, they are not connected to race, cultural identity, or broad group promises. Protecting personal and financial information is the strongest defense against scams. Beneficiaries should never click on suspicious links contained in emails or text messages. They should not respond to unexpected calls from people claiming to be SSA representatives, especially if the caller uses aggressive language or demands immediate action. Fraudulent contacts may also direct people to unofficial websites designed to look like government pages. Entering personal information on such sites is dangerous and can lead to financial loss or identity theft. The Social Security Administration does not request payment through gift cards, wire transfers, cryptocurrency, or unusual methods of any kind. It also does not threaten beneficiaries with arrest, suspension of benefits, or legal action for refusing to provide information. Any message that relies on fear, urgency, or unusual payment requests is almost certainly a scam. People who receive these contacts should report them, monitor their accounts for suspicious activity, and take steps such as updating passwords or adding security alerts through their bank. Recognizing how the Social Security Administration communicates legitimately is equally important. Most official correspondence arrives by mail in clearly marked letters that contain specific details about a person's case. Beneficiaries who sign up for online services through the My Social Security account may also receive secure electronic notices, but these will never ask for sensitive details such as a full Social Security number, bank account passwords, or other private information through unsecured channels. If a letter or message ever seems questionable, the safest step is to compare its contents with the information available in the official online account or to call the SSA directly using the number listed on its website. By confirming details only through these trusted sources, beneficiaries can avoid falling victim to scams. Disclaimer: this content is for informational purposes only and is not an official statement from the Social Security Administration, SSA, or any government agency. The information provided here is based on publicly available guidance about how Social Security benefits work, including payment processes and scam prevention tips. It should not be taken as financial, legal, or official government advice. For personalized assistance or to confirm the status of any benefit, individuals should contact the SSA directly through their official website, phone numbers, or local offices. Always verify unexpected deposits or communications with the SSA or your bank before taking any action.